Alright, what we're about to do is remove a quarter glass from a 1998 Impreza Outback Sport station wagon using an inductor glass blaster, which basically heats up the glue behind the glass in order to slowly push it out. Now, it's a very expensive tool. Most people can't afford this. So if you needed to take a glass out without a tool like this, you'd have to use a razor knife and cut from behind in order not to hurt this rubber piece right here, because it is part of the glass. So with that being said, I'm going to start heating this up. And it does take some time. It doesn't happen in 5 minutes. Basically what it's doing is microwaving the metal that the glue is stuck to. So right now I'm waiting for it to heat up. I can hear it start to sizzle, and I know that it's starting to break loose. The hardest part is getting it started. Once you get a corner to lift, and then you use plastic tools, tools like this to help put pressure on it and maintain pressure, and it'll slowly pop all the way around. I'm applying pressure to help pop it out while it's heating up. And you do not want to put too much pressure on the glass or you could shatter it. That's it. Glue came completely off the car, stayed with the glass. Well, basically this tool will work on any piece of quarter glass or back glass, any make, model of any Subaru. Some glues are thicker than others, like in older models, which might take a little extra time. So if you need it, give us a call.